The climate crisis is more than a challenge, and by 2024, it's crucial to take bold action to tackle it and empower communities. Hello everyone, I'm Shenol Fernando, a student studying at St. Thomas's Catholic International College, Seeduwa, Sri Lanka from the A-level second year commerce class. And to start with, I want you to look around and see the destruction of the nature causing this challenging climate crisis. But I, as an individual, found an anti-climate crisis solution for this, which isn't just a policy, but a movement for sustainable living, namely the people-powered carbon capture revolution. My plan will have to implement affordable, nature-based carbon capture solutions using algae, soil regeneration, and plant technology to pull carbon directly from the atmosphere. 2024 is our last best chance to fix the planet and ensure that no one is left behind. Vote for me and let's make the impossible happen. Together, we can create a sustainable future where the planet thrives and people prosper. Thank you.